All right, let's get into it. We're going inside an automated system to see how it thinks, sees, and moves. You know, it's a lot like the human body. It's all about having a brain, senses, and muscles. First up is the brain, the industrial controller. This thing is the conductor, making all the decisions. And there are two main kinds of brains. PLCs are the reliable workhorses. IPCs are for heavy-duty data crunching. But the real story here is the speed. I mean, we're talking about processing commands in nanoseconds. So, what about the senses? Well, that's where sensors and input modules come in, feeding data to the brain. Sometimes stuff happens way too fast for the main brain. That's when a high-speed counter has to take over. And these things can sense everything, from temperature to the precise location of an object. It's pretty amazing. Just think about that speed for a second. Reacting in less than a millisecond. That's unbelievably quick. Okay, but the brain and senses are useless without muscles. In automation, that means motors and actuators. Now, the simplest systems use what's called open-loop control. It sends a command and just assumes it worked. But for real precision, you need a closed-loop system. It gets feedback and makes corrections on the fly. And it's this feedback loop that allows for just incredible precision right down to the nanometer range. So looking ahead, it isn't just about making these things faster or stronger. It's about making them smarter. With AI, these systems can now learn, adapt, and even predict when they're about to fail. So you end up with a system that isn't just programmed anymore, but is actually truly intelligent.